Hey there, self-improvement seekers. Today, let's talk about something we don't often think about. The power of staying silent. Yep, sometimes the best thing you can do is just zip it. So, let's dive into 5 situations where staying silent is actually the wisest choice, according to psychology. First up, when you're angry. We've all been there, right? You're heated, your heart's racing, and you just want to lash out. But here's the thing. Saying something in the heat of the moment can lead to regret. Silence gives you the time to cool down and think things through. Remember, it's easier to hold your tongue than to take back hurtful words. Next, when you don't have all the facts, jumping to conclusions can be damaging. Imagine you're in a meeting and someone brings up a problem. Instead of chiming in with half-baked ideas, take a step back, listen, gather information, and then speak. This way, your contributions will be much more valuable. Number 3, during a heated argument. This one's tricky. It can feel almost impossible to stay silent when you're passionate about something. But sometimes, letting the other person vent without interruption can help de-escalate the situation. Silence can be a way to show you're listening and valuing their perspective. Fourth, when someone else is being rude or disrespectful. Responding with silence can be incredibly powerful. It shows self-control and maturity. Plus, it often throws the rude person off balance, making them rethink their behavior. Silence, in this case, can speak volumes. And finally, when you're unsure of what to say, it's totally okay to take a moment of silence to gather your thoughts. Sometimes we feel pressured to fill the silence, but rushing to speak can lead to saying something we don't mean or something that's just not helpful. Give yourself that space to think. Your words will be more meaningful. So, there you have it. 5 situations where staying silent can actually be the best move. It's not about bottling up your feelings or avoiding conflict, but about choosing your words wisely and fostering better communication. Silence isn't empty, it's full of potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more self-improvement tips. Stay mindful and remember, sometimes silence is golden. See you next time.